Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Today we're taking a close look at the Suunto Race 2, a performance-focused sports watch built for athletes who demand accuracy, endurance, and serious training tools. From its bright AMOLED display to advanced tracking and race-ready features, this watch is designed to push limits. Let's dive in and see what makes the Suunto Race 2 stand out. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Suunto Race 2. Charging cable and documentation pamphlets. Technical specifications. Meet the Suunto Race 2, built with a titanium bezel, reinforced polyamide case, sapphire crystal, and a silicone strap for ultimate durability. The 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display is always on with auto brightness. At 49 by 49 by 12.5 millimeters and just 65 grams, it fits wrists 125 to 175 millimeters, extendable up to 215 millimeters. With 32 gigabytes of storage, it holds offline maps and data. Sensors track heart rate, SpO2, barometer, altimeter, compass, accelerometer, gyroscope, and temperature. Health tracking covers heart rate, sleep, HRV, stress, recovery, training load, calories, and steps. Built tough with 100-meter water resistance and an operating range of -20 to 55 degrees Celsius. Battery lasts 18 days smartwatch, 55 to 65 hours, GPS, up to 200 hours in power-saving mode. Connect via Bluetooth, Suunto app, notifications, media controls, and sync with Strava or Training Peaks. Control is intuitive with touchscreen and glove-friendly buttons, plus vibration and haptic alerts. Dual-band GNSS supports multiple satellites with offline maps, routes, breadcrumbs, POIS, and ETA. Outdoor features include storm alarms, sunrise/sunset alerts, barometer, altitude, and temperature graphs. With 95-plus sports modes, interval training, and multi-sport support, this bold, expedition-grade watch comes in titanium and rugged finishes, perfect for adventurers everywhere. Product features. The Suunto Race 2 features a titanium bezel, glass fiber reinforced polyamide case, sapphire crystal, and silicone strap for rugged strength. It's water-resistant up to 100 meters and built to withstand temperatures from -20 degrees to 55 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for outdoor adventures and extreme conditions. Stay on top of your fitness and recovery with wrist heart rate, SpO2, HRV, sleep, stress, and recovery tracking. It also monitors calories, steps, and training load, giving you a complete picture of your health every day. Track your adventures with precision. With GPS, barometer, altimeter, compass, accelerometer, and gyroscope sensors, it monitors running, hiking, trail running, and other outdoor activities, providing real-time stats, routes, and offline map support. Equipped with long-lasting power, it offers 18 days in smartwatch mode, 55 to 65 hours with full GPS, and up to 200 hours in power-saving modes. With dual-band GNSS, Bluetooth connectivity, and 32 gigabytes storage, it's ready for extended adventures and seamless syncing with the Suunto app, Strava, and Training Peaks. How to pair. To pair the Suunto Race 2, start by downloading and installing the Suunto app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Turn on your watch by pressing any button, then make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Open the Suunto app, log in, or create an account if you don't have one. Select Add Device, then choose Suunto Race 2. The watch will display a pairing code. Enter this code on your phone or confirm the code if it appears on both devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup, including syncing your watch data, setting preferences, and enabling notifications. Once paired, your watch is ready to track activities, receive alerts, download offline maps, and stay fully connected through the Suunto app. How to charge? Attach the magnetic charging head to the back of the watch. Connect the charger to a USB power source. Ensure the watch is properly aligned with the charger. Charging will start automatically. Leave it connected until the battery is full. Disconnect and your watch is ready to go. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via watch settings. Open settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap System. Select Factory Reset or Reset Watch. Confirm your choice when prompted. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Turn off the watch. Press and hold the top and bottom buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the buttons when the Suunto logo appears. The watch will perform a hard reset and restart, restoring factory settings. Resetting will erase all data, including offline maps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the Suunto app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. Starting with design and durability, the Suunto Race 2 features a titanium bezel with a reinforced polyamide case, making it lightweight yet rugged for racing and daily training. The Suunto Vertical 2, on the other hand, is offering titanium or stainless steel options, a thicker chassis, and a more rugged mountaineering-focused build, and is designed for extreme expeditions. The Race 2 uses a vibrant 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display with always-on mode and high contrast, perfect for quick readability and indoor or urban training. The Vertical 2 uses a larger sunlight-optimized MIP display, designed for maximum visibility outdoors and ultra-long adventures, prioritizing efficiency over visual punch. Battery and storage. Both watches feature dual-band GNSS with offline maps and advanced navigation, but the Race 2 is tuned for performance training and racing, while the Vertical 2 is clearly optimized for exploration, mountaineering, and long-range navigation. Pros and cons. The Suunto Race 2 features a rugged titanium bezel, reinforced case, sapphire glass, and a 1.5-inch AMOLED display. It tracks heart rate, SpO2, sleep, HRV, stress, and recovery, with dual-band GPS, offline maps, 32GB storage, and 95+ sports modes. Battery lasts up to 18 days smartwatch, or 65 hours GPS. Downsides include no speaker, no onboard music, and the 49mm case may feel large, with limited smartwatch apps. Overall, it's a durable, performance-focused sports watch built for training and adventure. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.